The world of reality television is often filled with shocking twists, emotional breakdowns, and life-changing revelations, but sometimes the pain that unfolds on screen becomes even more heartbreaking in real life. Fans of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters were already struggling to cope with the devastating news of one Slayton sister's tragic death when another unimaginable blow struck. Another member of the family has died soon after, leaving the Slayton clan and their supporters around the world shaken to the core. The Slayton sisters, Tammy, Amy, and their siblings, first captured hearts when the show premiered, chronicling their struggles with extreme obesity, health crises, and the deeply personal family dynamics that played out in rural Kentucky. From the beginning, viewers were invested not only in their weight loss journeys but also in their resilience, humor, and unwavering bond as siblings who tried to face life's most difficult battles together. That bond, however, has now been tested in ways no one could have anticipated. When the tragic death of one of the sisters hit headlines, it sent shockwaves through social media, fan groups, and reality TV circles. The grief was palpable, not just for the family but for millions of viewers who had come to see the Slaytons as more than just TV stars. They were real people, fighting real battles, and opening their lives to the public eye. Yet before the dust could even settle, and before fans had a chance to fully process that first painful loss, another tragedy followed. Another Slayton family member, beloved and central to their narrative, has also died, creating an unbearable wave of grief and raising questions about the emotional toll of fame, health struggles, and the fragility of life. The heartbreaking sequence of losses has reignited conversations about the risks associated with obesity, the sacrifices of public life, and the sheer unpredictability of mortality. Reports indicate that the family is grappling with unspeakable grief, and those close to the sisters describe their current state as shattered. The bond between the Slaytons has always been one of the key storylines on 1000 LB Sisters, with each sibling's personality shining through. Tammy's fiery determination and struggle for independence, Amy's tender role as caretaker and mother, and their extended family's tough love and support. To now lose two members in such quick succession is more than a reality TV plot twist, it is a real-life nightmare. Friends of the family have shared that the sisters are completely broken and leaning on each other in ways they never had before, which is both comforting and devastating. The grieving process has been made even more difficult by the fact that the sisters live their lives so publicly. When news of the first death broke, tributes poured in from fans across the world, with thousands of posts celebrating the strength and spirit of the departed. Social media timelines were flooded with photos, heartfelt messages, and clips from the show that reminded everyone of the laughter and struggles that the family had shared over the years. Now, with another loss so soon after, those tributes have doubled, but so too has the pain. Many fans have expressed feeling like they've lost members of their own extended family, while others worry deeply about the mental and emotional well-being of the surviving Slaytons, especially Tammy, whose health battles have always been compounded by emotional stress. The timeline of these tragedies paints a picture of devastation that few families could withstand. First, the unexpected passing of one sister left the family scrambling to come to terms with the enormity of the loss. Barely weeks later, the death of another loved one has compounded the grief to an almost unbearable degree. Sources close to the production team of 1000 LB Sisters have revealed that there are serious conversations taking place about whether the show can continue under these circumstances, and whether it is even ethical to keep the cameras rolling during such raw moments of sorrow. TLC, known for its often gritty yet humanizing portrayals of families in crisis, is reportedly weighing how best to support the Slayton family while also respecting their privacy. Fans, meanwhile, are conflicted. While some argue that the sisters should step away from the spotlight to grieve in peace, others feel that the show, which has always been about truth and resilience, could provide an important platform for the Slaytons to share their journey through grief and healing. The tragedies have also reignited discussions about the health challenges that have always been at the core of the sisters' storylines. From life-threatening obesity to medical complications and surgeries, the Slaytons' health journeys were already fraught with risk. Now, with two members gone, viewers are left to wonder whether those risks played a role in these devastating outcomes. While official statements from the family have asked for privacy and refrained from disclosing specific causes of death, speculation has naturally arisen, and health experts have W.8 to remind fans that obesity-related complications remain a serious and persistent danger. Doctors have explained in interviews that conditions such as heart disease, respiratory failure, and infections can become life-threatening far sooner in individuals who struggle with extreme weight. Especially when combined with emotional stress and mental health challenges. Beyond the medical conversations, however, lies the emotional heart of the tragedy. The Slayton sisters, despite their struggles and flaws, were always seen as fighters. Their story was one of love, humor, and tenacity in the face of overwhelming odds. Losing two members in such a short time feels like a cruel twist of fate, and the surviving siblings are now faced with the unimaginable task of moving forward without the people who had been their anchors. Amy, who has often been portrayed as the heart of the family, is reportedly leaning heavily on her children for strength, while Tammy is said to be focusing on maintaining her hard-won health progress despite the crushing grief. Family friends have emphasized that the sisters are determined not to let these tragedies destroy them, even though the path forward seems unbearably difficult. The impact of these deaths on the broader fan community cannot be overstated. Online groups dedicated to 1000 LB sisters have become spaces for collective mourning, with fans sharing memories, artwork, and personal reflections about how the sisters inspired them. Many have written about how watching the Slaytons fight for their health motivated them to begin their own wellness journeys, while others have simply admired the raw honesty with which the sisters presented their lives. In this way, the deaths feel personal to viewer, and the grief is shared on a global scale. Media outlets around the world have picked up the story, further cementing the Slayton family's place in the cultural conversation but also magnifying the spotlight on their pain. As the Slaytons mourn, questions linger about the future of the show and the family's place in the public eye. Will they continue filming, or will they retreat from the cameras to focus on healing? Will TLC reframe the show to honor the legacies of the sisters who have passed, or will it choose to close this chapter altogether? While nothing has been confirmed, one thing is clear: whatever decision is made will be done with the weight of unimaginable grief pressing down on it. For now, the focus remains on honoring the memories of the departed and supporting the surviving sisters as they navigate a reality more heartbreaking than any ever captured on television. In the end, the story of the Slayton family has always been one of struggle and survival. This latest chapter, though tragic beyond words, underscores just how human and fragile they truly are. To lose one sibling is devastating enough, but to lose another so soon after is an agony that defies comprehension. As fans, friends, and family continue to mourn, the Slaytons' resilience will once again be tested, and the world will be watching, not as reality TV consumers, but as fellow human beings bearing witness to a family shattered by grief, yet holding on to love in the darkest of times. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.